Hey everyone, welcome to Bistegs TV. Today we're making an insanely delicious, budget-friendly, and ultra-nutritious dish, sardines with tofu and sweet potato leaves, also known as Talbos. It's quick, easy, and packed with flavor. And here's the best part. It's a classic Filipino dish that's perfect with rice. Stay tuned, because this one's a game changer. Let's go. Heat some oil in a pot. Once it's hot, carefully drop in the tofu pieces. Let them sizzle and cook until golden brown. That crispy texture is gonna be amazing. Now, flip the tofu and let the other side turn golden brown. Crispy on both sides means maximum flavor. This is gonna be so good. Once both sides are golden and crispy, take them out and place them on a plate. Now cut them into small cubes. This helps them soak up all the delicious flavors later. Perfect little bites of crispy tofu goodness. Set them aside for now because they'll make a big comeback soon. Heat some fresh oil in an empty pot. Once it's hot, toss in the chopped garlic. Stir it around and let that amazing aroma fill your kitchen. This is where the flavor starts. Add the chopped onions and stir them around. Let them soften and release their sweet, savory aroma. This will add even more depth to the flavor. Now, toss in the diced tomatoes. Stir them around and let them soften. This will bring out their rich, tangy flavor and make the dish even more delicious. Time to add the sweet potato leaves, also known as talbos. These are packed with nutrients and will soak up all those amazing flavors. Stir them in, making sure they're coated with the garlic and tomatoes. Now, cover the pot and let them cook for a few minutes until they soften and release their natural goodness. Now, let's bring in the star of the dish, sardines in tomato sauce. Open up 2 cans and pour them straight in. Give it a good stir, letting the rich, tangy tomato sauce blend with the garlic, tomatoes, and greens. Next, add 2 cups of water to balance out the flavors and create that perfect saucy consistency. Stir everything together, making sure all the ingredients are beautifully combined. Let this simmer for a bit so the flavors can fully develop. This is what makes the dish so comforting and delicious. Now let's add a little extra kick. Sprinkle in a tiny bit of ground pepper and an extra teaspoon of salt to enhance all those rich flavors. Give it a quick stir to mix everything together. And now, it's time for the crispy tofu cubes we set aside earlier. Drop them in and gently stir, letting them soak up all that delicious savory sauce. This is where the magic happens. Every bite is going to be packed with flavor. For the final touch, add a pinch of your favorite seasoning to elevate the flavors even more. Give it one last stir, making sure everything is well combined. The aroma is absolutely mouth-watering. This dish is almost ready to serve. And that's it! Our delicious sardines with tofu and sweet potato leaves, also known as talbos, is ready to serve. A simple, nutritious, and flavorful Filipino dish that's perfect with rice. Thank you so much for watching Bistegs TV. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!